Hey guys, it's Tech Racer, and today to talk about the iOS 15 update on the iPhones. So yesterday itself, Apple has officially released the iOS 15 update. So no more betas for iOS 15. So now we can officially update our phones to iOS 15. Now the devices which are supported are basically iPhone SE first generation and above, which includes 6s, 6s Plus, 7, 7 Plus, all the way up to 12 Pro Max. And obviously 13 series is going to come with iOS 15 inbuilt. So yeah, so this is iPhone 7 and it does support the iOS 15, and I did got an update. So let me go to general software update, and this phone is currently running on 14.5.1. So first of all we have the 14.8 update, and below we have iOS 15 update. Now before downloading the update, the total available space was 21.3 GB, and now it's 17.9 approximately after like downloading the 14.8 update and verifying the update. So first of all we'll install the 14.8 update, and then we'll proceed to 15 and check out the new features which are available on the iPhone 7 for the iOS 15. And the update size of 14.8 is around 918 megabytes, and for iOS 15 it's 2.64 gigabytes. So first of all let's quickly install 14.8 and make sure that your battery percentage is above 50% to be on a safer side. Okay, so guys, 14.8 update has been installed. So let's go to general, then software update. And as you can see, 14.8 is up to date, and now we have upgrade to iOS 15. So as you can see, the update size is 2.6 gigabytes. So I'll quickly download and install this update, and then we'll quickly take a look at the features as well. Okay, so guys, the iOS 15 update has been completed. So let's quickly unlock the device, and as you can see, software update complete, and it's iOS 15.0. So continue. So guys, we have updated to the iOS 15. So now first of all let's quickly go to settings, then we'll go to general, then software update, and it's iOS 15.0. Let's quickly go to about and check the available storage. So it's 21.07 GB as you can see. So all the space which was like covered up has been retained back. So that's a good thing. So you get the storage back once the update is complete. And it's iOS 15. As you can see, you can already see the rounded corners in the entire settings menu, and we do have some spaces over here. So these compartments are like separated from each other by some more space in this update. Okay, so now guys, let's quickly talk about the new features that we get on iOS 15. So first of all, if I like swipe up from bottom, you will see over here focus. So now we have the focus mode built into it. Previously it was only do not disturb, but now we have some profiles over here, so we can like arrange our phone accordingly. So if I like go to personal, then it will arrange the entire my phone according to my personal usage, and when it comes to the work, it will arrange all the apps and other things according to my work profile. So that's really very good thing to keep everything organized properly. After that, we have a small integration in the FaceTime app as well. As you can see, now we can create a link and share up with our friends, and we can simply create a meeting like Google Meet or Microsoft Teams meetings, and we can like connect with other people as well. So that's really very good thing in terms of integrations. And if we talk about the major update or the major feature which was added in this particular update is regarding this particular Safari browser. So as you can see, now we have a whole new layout over here. So we have now complete gesture based layout. So we can simply slide up on this URL bar, which is like shifted from top to the extreme bottom, and we can simply like swipe up on this URL bar to switch between the tabs. And we do have new like gestures to like switch between these tabs, add new tabs, and remove existing tabs. So that's really very good thing, and it's going to be very handy. But although if you don't like this particular thing, then you can simply tap on this double A, click on this show top bar, and it will be restored back to its normal layout. And you can simply switch between these two layouts, and it works really very good. And now it's time to talk about one of the most important feature of the iOS 15, and it's going to be used by most of the people out there, and I personally like this feature very much. And yeah, it's really very unique, and it's quite handy in terms of its usage. So for example, let's quickly go to Safari, and since see, I'm searching like some images and I want to download like couple of these images. So manually, like I will manually download each of these images which I required. So instead of that, right now I can like simply hold up onto these images and tap the images that I want to simply download onto my device, and you can simply hold it like this. And if I like click on home right now, as you can see, all these images are copied to my clipboard as of now, and I can simply open up any other app. So I'll simply open the photos over here, and if I like release my finger, it will simply add all these images which were copied onto my clipboard. So as you can see now, all these images are on my photos app. So that's really a very good and very handy feature, and it works also in terms of text as well. So yeah, if you are like copying some text, you can simply hold it onto your clipboard and you can copy it onto any other app as well. Now it's time for the battery life. Since I've updated this phone few minutes ago, so I can't really comment about the battery life as of now. So I'll use this phone thoroughly for like 2 to 3 days, and then I'll update the description accordingly for the battery life that we are getting on the iOS 15. So yeah, until then, this is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found this video really helpful, then do that like button, subscribe button, and stay tuned for more such videos. So thanks for watching.